Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is the week ending 5/1 of 2022 and the stock was LC. This happened on Thursday, the 28th of April. This is based on a tier 3 gap going into 60-minute resistance. It was a short entry based on a 1-minute DTS breakdown play. Management advance reward to risk 2.3 to 1. As usual, before we explain this trade here, coming up this Wednesday, we do have a DTS educational event this week called Do You Know These Great Quotes? A collection of quotes from me, but more importantly, why they became quotes and why they're important. You can read over the slide there if you like. Here's the daily chart for LC, and this is the feature of why it was picked because of the gap that happened this morning. It's going to gap up right into this general area here, and that was considered a shortable type of gap. There's what it looked like after the day of the trade. The 60-minute chart doesn't show you a whole lot here, but it's always one of the 4 slides, either the 60 or the 15 minutes. Sometimes different time frames show you different things, but here all you can see is we just fell hard during the opening part of the day there, and then it came back in the afternoon. Here is the chart where you really see most of the action here, the 5-minute chart. Stock open right there, and I'm going to get short right in there. You don't really see the entry on the 5-minute chart. You'll see that on the next chart, but entry is under 1665, stop over 1695, and the trade's underway. Target 1 taken there at 1576, right around 10 o'clock, and then the afternoon trailed out around 1 o'clock there at over 1602. You can see it was a good first target for the most part, a good trail for the most part. It could have dropped more, but it did not. Here's the 1-minute chart that gives you a little better view of the entry at least. That's where we opened. And right there is that entry coming under that little breakdown. This probably could have, should have been done up in here. Off the top, I think it was good enough to do that. I just wasn't on it at the moment, and it went pretty fast. That red bar came very quickly, so I ended up taking that breakdown there. Entry, stop, target 1 you can see here a little clearer as it started to bounce there, and then target 2 is off the screen here because it happened around 1 o'clock or so. Clean little trade based on a gap. It's earnings season, so we have some gaps on the screen. If you like trades like this, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. If you get over to the DTS homepage, which is disciplinedtradingstrategies.com, you can figure out how to join us in the trading room if you're interested. This is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.